Hey everyone out there, welcome back to the episode of Uncensored Solar TV, brought to you by my amazing team here at Solar Wolf Energy. And what are we talking about and looking forward to the beginning of 2021 for those of us within the solar renewable energy industry? I think I'm gonna make a pretty bold prediction, but it's safe to say that batteries and solar are probably gonna have another great year. To that end, we got the increase for the 26%, which is I think huge. The 4%. Obviously, I think there's going to be some companies that are going to take it and still try to play defensively as if the 22% actually did come in, and how do they market and whatever, make some adjustments. I also think there's going to be some companies that are going to see that 4% increase, get perhaps a little too overconfident and commit maybe too far into debt or whatever, and ultimately the what seems like something that should be so great will ultimately be that company's demise. That's another way that things might go. And overall, I think the clients, the customers, the companies involved, everyone, I think this is just great for everybody except for, well, those in the fossil fuel industry, I'm sure, but I tip of the cap to them. Regardless, what we're looking for in 2021, obviously, is it would be enormously advantageous to all of us that if we can get the battery efficiency up a little bit. I'd say up a little bit this year alone. Like, that needs to happen. Obviously, we're competing against generators in that regard. Cost basis, these wildfires and catastrophes and everything as of the last 18 months have actually, I think, helped battery sales directly and indirectly, in that directly they don't want the generator, they just want the battery. But so many people now want a generator that it's pushed the price up on a generator so much that a battery suddenly isn't so expensive. I don't know if many of you caught that yet, or if you're just realizing now that I put it into your brain that generator sales going up will help battery sales, and they have been, and they're going to continue to. And that's an indirect way. So if we can get the efficiency up on these things, we could put a nail in the coffin for generator sales collectively as an industry. But science and finance obviously are required for that. On the solar side, obviously we want panels that are more efficient for a lower cost. Those of us who install, those of you who create and make the panels, obviously you want to get more efficient panels and you want to sell them for more. So it's an ongoing war between all of us in the industry, and obviously the customer wants all of us to work for free. So that will never happen, but again, I can appreciate what they want. All that said, 2021 looks pretty great for, I would say, community solar farms, commercial ground mounts, what have you, carports, the whole bit. I'd like to see photovoltaics take off a little bit more this year. That would be something phenomenal if we can see that as a more common theme in this country. I would love that. And to all of you across the pond who are already doing that, congrats, you guys are ahead of the curve, as usual. But to that end, I just want to say I hope everybody has a great 2021 this year in solar. To my competitors and partners alike, I wish you all a great year. And thanks for watching the episode of Uncensored Solar TV, brought to you by my amazing team here at Solar Wolf Energy. Thanks.